Good afternoon, I'm David Kramer at the National Weather Service with Alaska statewide weather. Starting off for the remainder of the day, we have a low pressure system with associated fronts that are moving up towards the central Aleutian Islands. This is bringing a rain and snow mix to the area with some patchy fog mixed in with that precipitation. Behind that, southerly flow is going to transition that over to rain, making its way from the eastern Aleutian Islands all the way to the western Aleutian Islands. However, over the southwest part of the state right now, high pressure is dominating, keeping the area void of most precipitation. There are some isolated areas of snow showers underneath that high pressure, mostly to the north and northern parts of the YK Delta. Then as we move up along the west coast of the state, another low is bringing snow throughout that area all the way up along the Arctic coast and into areas of the central part of the interior. Down in the south central, not a whole lot of activity in terms of precipitation, but some isolated areas of snow showers down in the Panhandle. As we move into tonight, going to have some areas of blowing snow in the north and eastern parts of the Panhandle near the Haines area, with some stronger winds in that area. Some isolated areas of fog as we move into the south central, and then as we get into the interior, some areas of snow mixed with fog as we move further to the east along the west coast of the state, with some areas of blowing snow down in the northern parts of the YK Delta. Up along the Arctic coast, some snow up there as well, with the southwest part of the state not seeing much precipitation. Then down in the Aleutian Islands, that rain-snow mix is pushing off further to the east, and behind that in the western and central Aleutian Islands starting to become rain. As we move into Wednesday, that rain will spread further to the east, making its way just about to the Alaska Peninsula, with a rain-snow mix in the Alaska Peninsula stretching out into the central Bering Sea, and then making its way to the southwest part of the state, transitioning over to becoming completely snow in the YK Delta area. And up along the west coast of the state, snow showers are going to spread all the way up the coastline, then along the Arctic coast, down into parts of the interior as well, all the way to the border near Eagle. Down in the south central, not a whole lot of snow, but still some areas of fog, especially in the morning hours, and some isolated areas of snow showers in the Yakutat area stretching down into the Panhandle. On Thursday, those areas are going to extend, bringing a lot more snow to the area, mixing with rain in the further places to the south in the Alaska Panhandle. Then as we move into the south central, snow finally making its way there, stretching up into southern parts of the interior, and then up north up to the upper Yukon Valley. That snow is going to extend all the way to the west in the Norton Sound area and down into the Bristol Bay area, transitioning with rain in the Bristol Bay area. Then rain throughout much of the central Aleutian Islands, stretching out to the west, and then starting to transition back to snow as we get into the Alaska Peninsula. With Alaska statewide weather, I'm David Kramer.